Alright, we're replacing a Nissan sun visor. For this project, you are going to need a trim tool. This is used to remove the sun visor cap. My passenger side sun visor, I was able to pop it with a small screwdriver. For the full cover, you can separate it in the bottom lines with a screwdriver. I ruined my upholstery because I could not get it out with the screwdriver, which is why we're using the trim kit. The next thing is you're going to have your replacement. I got both of these parts from Amazon. Rogue and Ultimus required a Phillips head screwdriver. Pathfinder and Maximus require a multi-socket to 9/30 seconds. So the biggest thing here is trying to get this thing out. Right here, this is what we're looking for. Trim tool. Make sure you stay out of this line. You have to be on this side of the line. I want to remind you that items on the video are in the link, and I also have a link to a video that will help you program your car garage door opener. All right, let's get back to it. When you hear that click, you know you can pull right out. For the full cover, insert it towards the front where the gap begins. And now you snap from the back. Hear the click. Pull out. If this is helping you out, give the video a thumbs up so others can find it. There you go. This thing, lightsaber. I think just popped out. There it is. All right. I wish they would have made this plastic part here inside as strong as this darn thing. Put it where you're not going to lose it. Wrench or screwdriver. Loosen up. The Rogue and the Ultima will use the Phillips head screwdriver. Grab onto the small screw. Move this little thing here. It should come right out. Pull it back. Oh! Now, if you have the sun visor, this plastic part that just fell is going to be stuck to the sun visor. I'm going to unplug it right here. Get your new sun visor. Plug it in. Make sure you snap the little clip. And then push it in. And you want to make sure that wires, you tuck them in. You don't want to get those wires caught up in there. And then you slide it forward. Now you want to go ahead and clip it on the sun visor holder right here as I showed you. And let's put the screws back in. Be very careful with the screws because they do fall out of your hands. You just want to put it in there and just put it in nice and tight. Now for this cap, you want to put it from the side first. If you notice here, I'm putting it from the side and then you snap it in.